Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Affiliate Profits Insights, your guide to online success. I'm Luther, and this series is dedicated to helping you master the art of affiliate marketing and achieve financial freedom. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started on your journey to online success. Today, we're going to show you how to start affiliate marketing on Facebook with a guide for beginners. Let's dive in. Facebook is a fantastic platform for affiliate marketing. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Set up your profile or page. Optimize your Facebook profile or create a dedicated page for your affiliate marketing efforts. Choose your niche. Focus on a specific area that you're passionate about and that has an active audience on Facebook. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for reputable affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. Create engaging content. Share valuable posts, videos, and live streams to attract and engage your audience. Build your audience. Use Facebook groups, ads, and organic methods to grow your follower base. Post affiliate links. Strategically place your affiliate links in your posts, ensuring they provide value and comply with Facebook's policies. Check out the full article on our website for more detailed steps. In case English is not your native language, feel free to change our website language to your preference. Be sure to click and check out our top recommended method for achieving consistent daily earnings with zero investment. Watch the free video and get started today. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.